Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Velocity is given by sine of t squared, and we need the total distance from 0 to 2.7. Let's solve this fast. Total distance is the integral of the absolute value of velocity. We must integrate the absolute value of sine of t squared from 0 to our upper limit of 2.7. Since the velocity function changes signs on this interval, the absolute value is crucial. Use your graphing calculator to compute this definite integral accurately to find the total distance traveled now. The calculator gives us 1.448. This matches our third option perfectly. We have successfully found the total distance for this particle. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.